Since you're here, welcome back and welcome to a new video, another unboxing this week. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about this. I'm doing another voiceover because I messed up. I just completely messed up on the sound on this first part of the video. So this week I'm unboxing the Converse Move High Top. If you don't know, Converse has brought up different new variation of the classic Chuck Taylor, and you have different variation, but my favorite is definitely the Move High Top. You find them in 4 different color combos. You find them in all white, you find them in black and white, the classic Converse color combination, in pink and white, and in beige and white. My favorites are definitely the black and white or the all whites, but the other color combos are fine, and I feel like you can still style them in a cool way if you want to. So when it comes to today's video, I found these. I find them prettier than the other new designs. I just don't know, I just like this design. I just like the way the platform looks like. I just feel like it will be looking great on feet. So this is the box. When you open up the box, when you open up your package, the box is a classic box, the classic black and white Converse box. I ordered them in size 40 European size or 7 in the UK sizing. So when you open them, you just find them wrapped up in this simple white paper like you find any other Converse sneakers. And like I said, they look so pretty. I love the design. This is definitely my favorite when it comes to the new Converse design, but I feel like Converse is coming with new designs every other month, so maybe there's going to be another design that I like more than this one. So they look really great, all white. The only black details that you have are the details on the logo on the side and on the back of the shoe, and the sole just looks that the sole is dark brown, and it's, like I said, it's a simple design with a little bit of age. It's a simple Converse design but a little bit of age. They look so comfy already. I love the platform. When you look into the shoe, you see the sizing like you see in any other Converse shoe as well. There's not a big difference when it comes to the design on these ones, but I really like the difference on the platform. So yeah, on the box you have the different details when it comes to the size, and when it comes to the materials, they are in classic canvas material from Converse. Really simple. Love the details. So let's go for a little close-up. So we are back. So like I said before, I find them really comfortable. They have this like really soft sole that I don't think that you have in other platform Converses, because I have another one but it's not this comfy. It's really comfortable for sure. I love the color. It works with everything. I mean, Converse chucks work with everything, so it's not really complicated to style them. But I have two outfit ideas for you. Sorry for the noise. For the first outfit, I want with something I could wear to work. I could wear to work, for example. So I'm wearing this leopard print skirt with this white turtleneck top and a cream white blazer, and I added this belt bag that in gold that just complete the whole outfit, and I'm wearing them with the Converse, of course. And it's a simple outfit combination. It works. You can wear it to work, during the weekend. It depends on what you like. And for the second outfit idea or suggestion that I have today, I am wearing the same turtleneck top, but I paired it with this green bomber, which is actually really old already, but that I really really love. It's warm, it's simple. It's not simple, it has many patches on it, but I feel like it's a simple piece to style, so it's simple for me and it's easy to wear. So I paired them with these black faux leather pants and the shoes as well, and I added this snake print belt that I added to the whole outfit, and I feel like it works well together. I'm wearing this bucket hat and the same earrings. So this is my video for the unboxing of this really nice Converse that I'm really in love with. I really love the design though. It's really simple but really comfortable, and it just brings a kind of an edge to the classic chuck we are used to. So I hope you liked the video. Feel free to subscribe if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Push the like button. Find me on Instagram at the Style Capes. Watch my other videos because I have several already. And I'm going to say see you next week. Bye. Thank you again.